In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on TradersWay. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to scroll down, and then over here it's going to say you can open either a live or a demo account. So you want to click on where it says open demo account, and it's going to take you to a separate tab in your browser where essentially you have to do the registration process. So you want to type in your personal info, so first name, last name, your country, email, your cell phone, birthday, and then the account type you want. It could be personal or corporate, and then here you want to tell them how you actually heard about them as well. And then down here where it says choose an account type, you want to switch over to demo. Now when you're switching over to demo here, you have 4 different ones. You can just click on each and every single one of these and select which of these things you want. So of course over here you can just change it, or of course select whichever one you like. I'm just going to use this one over here, and of course you can select your currency as well, confirm it, and click on open account now. Now I'm going to do this in a separate tab right now, just so of course you can see my personal information, and I'm going to click on the open account now button. And whenever you do this, I'm going to show you in a few seconds, it's going to start loading. There we go. And it's going to say dear, and then your name, and it's going to say that your account details are over here, and you'll basically receive like your details, like account name, number, your password, currency, and the server as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. And of course then you can go ahead and access the TradersWay platform, and that way sign in. So as you can see for me over here, there we go, that's essentially it. And here you can see I'm basically not verified yet because I still have to verify it. I just made this account, but I do have my demo account over here, and of course I can change the password, I can open a new one, or whatever I want to do. So if you want to open a new one, you can just click on open demo account over here, and you'll be able to create a new one just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.